Alright, you ready?
Yep.
I won't even use my face for Dutch. I'll show him he doesn't have to use his face.
Fancy.
Piece of cake, eh?
This wind is really kicking up now. And he's hovering the buffalo.
Got one torque roll out.
That was cool.
I was trying to do a blender with it. Try a tip spin. Kinda did it. What an awesome airplane.
I don't know if you guys can hear that wind, but it is stiff and oscillating.
Buffalo's doing awesome.
Yeah, it is. Rock solid. No gyro, none, any of that stuff.
Hovering around in that wind.
Wind surfing.
It's an awesome airplane. Snaps are kind of funny.
It looks like it. The throws on this thing are ridiculous.
This thing is just a winner, man, all the way around.
Sliding into home.
Just, I was like going up there, going fast, just shoving sticks in the corners. Like the wing stayed on, you know, I didn't break anything. That thing is just
Those throws are
awesome.
crazy. I tamed mine down big time and it was still really responsive, so.
100%
Jeez.
on everything.
This is it.
Boom. How can you not like that? Can we reach out? Alright guys, that was a 6-minute flight. That's the longest I've done on it so far, and you can see I was leaning on the throttle pretty hard.
6 minutes of ripping.
So we'll see what we have left on the trusty Nanotech. I love these batteries. 50%, 6-minute flight, lots of full throttle.
Bam.
You could probably fly this thing for 12 minutes. Or like I think Ian said, 15 or something better if you actually like just loafed around. So anyways, like, comment, and subscribe.